Alright everybody, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a tire balance. So you're going to need, obviously, a balancer. You're going to need cones. You're going to need a tire weight hammer. You're going to need wheel weights. And you're going to need a rim gauge. You're also going to need a quick release and a rim width measurement tool. You're going to want to take is definitely put your safety glasses on. And then the next step is examining the wheel for any already previous wheel weight. So we can see we have a 45-ounce weight on the front side of our tire, and on the inside we have none, so that is good for us. So what we're going to do is we are going to grab our tire weight hammer, which is that right there, and we're going to carefully set our tire down. And then what you do is you'll put this like tip, kind of looks like a beak. You put that on the tire or the wheel weight, and it's hard to do with one hand. You'll pinch it, and then you'll pull up, and then you'll take any previous wheel weight. Alright, the next step is going to be finding which cone you're going to be using for your rim. So there's different sizes and stuff like that, but I'm going to grab this one, and what you're going to want to do is put this cone on the inside of the rim and see if it fits, which it does. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this cone on the spindle here, and then the next step is going to be carefully putting the tire on and putting the quick release on the spindle as well and spinning it until it's tight. Alright, so once you get the tire on there and your spindle, you're going to want to hold the brake, and you're going to want to spin the spindle against the tire until it is pretty snug. And then what you'll do is you'll spin it just to make sure it's secure. Alright, so it's secure. And then we'll go on to our measurements. What you want to do for this measurement here, which is how far away the machine is from the actual tire, you're going to want to take your ruler and carefully come out and just touch the outside of the rim here and bring it back in so you're not doing stick-on weight. And then it's going to bring up your wheel height and your rim diameter. So this measurement is incorrect, so we are going to have to change that with the rim measurement, or the width. So what you want to do is take this, bring it up against the rim and the tire here, and read that measurement, which is kind of off because I'm doing this by hand. So we're reading 7. So what you want to do is you're going to want to press your F4 key, press the right arrow, and that'll change it to 7. And you're going to press OK. And then what you're going to do now is you will bring down your safety lid and make the tire go through a cycle, and then you'll get your wheel weight measurement. You're going to lift your safety hood, and then you're going to see how much weight you're going to need on both of the sides. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to take your rim gauge, and you're going to find which rim gauge fits on this rim. What we need for this side is a 1.5 ounce weight, which is this one, and for the other side you're going to need a 0.5 ounce weight. So when installing these, what you're going to want to do is you're going to spin the tire until it hits green. You're going to press down on your brake, and you'll install this weight at the 12 o'clock position with your wheel weight hammer, and then after that you'll switch to the other side. So now that you got both wheel weights on at the 12% position, you're going to close your safety hood, wait for the cycle, and if any of this says any other number other than 0.00, then you're going to have to make some adjustments, but we are okay. So you can lift your hood back up, and your tire balance is finished. So what you're going to want to do is hold your brake and take your quick release off carefully so you don't scratch the rim, and then you're going to want to take your tire off carefully as well. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to hold your brake and back this off. And then once you get to like at least halfway, you're going to want to start holding onto this tire just so it doesn't hit the spindle. So when I do that, I'll show you guys me taking off the cone. So now that you got your tire off and your quick release, what you're going to do is you just take your cone off, put it back onto the side of the machine. And if you aren't doing any more tire balancing, I would just turn the machine off, which is probably located on the back of the machine. And then what you want to do is put all your tools away. So for this quick release, just put it back on the spindle there. For the rim width tool, you just put it back on the wall. You have your tire that is finished. You can put that back on your car. And then any other tools that you use, just make sure it goes back in the right place. And then afterward, clean up, do all those procedures, and then put your safety glasses away, and then you are done. So that's how you do a tire balance, guys.